let's end this module with a few final words on prompt engineering. First, use clear and concise language when writing your prompts. Avoid using vague language or ambiguous instructions. The more specific and concise that your prompt is, the easier it will be for the LLM to understand. When possible, use examples of the desired output, which helps the LLM understand the style and tone that you're looking for. Also, break down complex prompts. If you have a very complex prompt, it is way better to break it down into smaller, more manageable instructions, which makes it easier for the LLM to generate a satisfactory response. Provide feedback to the LLM and iterate. This allows the LLM to learn and improve its ability to generate outputs that meet your needs. Also, here are a few tips for creating better prompts. Always use active voice, which is more concise and easier to understand than passive voice. Use positive language. That's more likely to produce positive results. For example, instead of saying, don't write a blog post that is offensive, you could say, write a blog post that's respectful. Also, use keywords that help the LLM understand the main topic of your prompt. For example, if you want to write a poem about LLMs, use words like artificial intelligence, the future, and OpenAI in your prompt. And finally, use prompts that are consistent with the LLM's training data. And yes, I get it. LLMs are trained on massive data sets, and you don't really know for sure on what they have been trained. But depending on the output, you could get hints on whether it was trained on certain data or not. And additionally, you have fine tuning, which I'll show you later on. And now let's move to the next module, exploring practical applications of working with the OpenAI API, where I'll show you some of the wonderful things that you can do.